Join me as I take on the challenge of reversing kidney damage by incorporating these 12 amazing foods into my diet for a month. When it comes to reversing kidney damage, diet plays a crucial role. The good news is that there are specific foods that can help. And today, we're going to talk about 12 of them that can make a real difference. Kidney damage is a growing concern worldwide, affecting millions of people. It's a condition that can be caused by various factors such as diabetes, high blood pressure, and family history. But the truth is that kidney damage is often preventable and even reversible through dietary changes. With the right foods, you can slow down kidney damage and even reverse it. But first, let's take a closer look at why dietary choices are so important when it comes to managing and reversing kidney damage. The kidneys are responsible for filtering waste and toxins from our blood, and they're also responsible for regulating blood pressure, electrolyte levels, and red blood cell production. When our kidneys are damaged, they're not able to function properly, leading to a buildup of toxins in our bodies. This can lead to a range of symptoms including fatigue, swelling, and even cardiovascular disease. But by making the right dietary choices, you can reduce the strain on your kidneys and help them function more efficiently. One key way to support kidney health through diet is to reduce inflammation and oxidation in the body. And that's where these 12 foods come in. Each one of them has been scientifically proven to have a positive impact on kidney health, and they can be easily incorporated into your daily meals. Let's start with berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants and fiber, making them an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. Blueberries, in particular, have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. You can add them to your oatmeal or yogurt, or even blend them into a smoothie. Next up is olive oil. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats that can help reduce inflammation and improve blood flow to the kidneys. It's also rich in antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress. Try using it as a dressing for your salads or as a finishing touch for your vegetables. Another food that's great for kidney health is garlic. Garlic has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. You can add it to your meals, or even take it in supplement form. The next food is apples. Apples are rich in fiber and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. They're also a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function. Try snacking on an apple a day, or adding it to your salads. Next, we have onions. Onions are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help support kidney health. They're also a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce oxidative stress. Try adding them to your soups, stews, or salads. The next food is kale. Kale is a leafy green that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help support kidney health. It's also rich in fiber, which can help reduce inflammation and support digestive health. Try adding it to your smoothies, or sautéing it with garlic as a side dish. Another food that's great for kidney health is spinach. Spinach is rich in iron, which is essential for healthy red blood cells. It's also rich in antioxidants that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Try adding it to your salads, or sautéing it with garlic as a side dish. The next food is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that can help support kidney health. They're also a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce oxidative stress. Try baking or roasting them as a side dish. The next food is fish. Fish is a great source of protein that's low in saturated fat and high in omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids can help reduce inflammation and support kidney health. Try incorporating fatty fish like salmon or tuna into your meals a few times a week. Next, we have turmeric. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. It's also rich in antioxidants that can help support overall health. Try adding it to your meals, or taking it in supplement form. Another food that's great for kidney health is cinnamon. Cinnamon is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. It's also a natural antibacterial that can help reduce the risk of infections. Try adding it to your oatmeal or yogurt, or even using it as a spice for your meals. And finally, the most impactful food that can significantly aid in reversing kidney damage is ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory that can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. It's also a natural antibacterial that can help reduce the risk of infections. Try adding it to your meals, or taking it in supplement form. One study found that ginger was able to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys by up to 50%. Ginger is so effective in supporting kidney health that it's even been used in traditional medicine for centuries. And the best part is, it's easy to incorporate into your daily meals. You can add it to your soups, stews, or salads, or even take it in supplement form. So, there you have it, 12 foods that can help reverse kidney damage. By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, and even reverse kidney damage. Remember, reversing kidney damage takes time and patience, but with the right diet and lifestyle changes, it is possible. So, take control of your health today, and start incorporating these 12 amazing foods into your diet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more videos on kidney health and wellness. What's your favorite kidney-friendly food? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about kidney health, check out my video on the top 5 signs of kidney damage you should never ignore.